If you need to remove a card from your AT&T account, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. This guide will help you navigate the necessary actions. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the AT&T website or open the AT&T app. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once logged in, locate the billing or payment method section. This is usually found in the main menu or under account settings. Step 3. Select the card to remove. In the payment method section, you will see a list of your saved payment options. Find the card you wish to remove and click on it for more details. Step 4. Remove the card. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Verify removal. After removing the card, check the payment method section again to confirm that the card is no longer listed. This ensures that the removal is successful. By following these steps, you can easily remove a card from your AT&T account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to AT&T customer support for assistance.